Hi everyone! Welcome to Kids Learn. Today I'll show you how to create amazing AI videos for FREE.
Let's learn the complete process step by step. It's easy, fast, and perfect for beginners.
First, write a clear script. Divide it into short scenes with simple instructions.
Now convert your script into a detailed prompt with character, background, lighting, and camera angles.
Use ChatGPT to generate a high-quality AI image from your prompt.
Review your image carefully. If needed, improve your prompt and generate an even better version.
Next, sign in to Google Vids using your Google account. Upload your AI image and paste your video prompt.
Click Generate and let AI create your amazing video. That's it. Follow these simple steps to create amazing AI videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Kids Learn.